Hey, what's up guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make black pepper chicken, Chinese style stir fry. And I'm going to add some crunchy vegetables to the recipe to make it more colorful and have a contrasting texture to the chicken. Let's get started. Let's start with the chicken. I use chicken thigh meat, but as usual, definitely you can use chicken breast if you wish, and also you can use bone-in chicken, skin-on chicken if you wish, but personally I prefer to use boneless chicken because it is easier to stir fry. Let's marinate the chicken by adding some salt and some light soy sauce to give it a base flavor. Also some Chinese Shaoxing wine to tenderize the chicken. Then add some cornstarch. The cornstarch will coat the surface of the chicken and help to shield off the chicken from the direct heat during stir frying and ensure that it is tender. Lastly, some cooking oil to prevent the chicken from sticking onto the wok during stir frying. Let's set it aside and move on to prepare other ingredients. Cut to about the same size of the chicken and celery. Besides that, I have already cut one medium-sized onion into strips and get ready some chopped ginger and garlic. And of course, for the black pepper chicken, some freshly crushed black pepper. Together with the vegetables that we have cut and the marinated chicken, these are the ingredients for our black pepper chicken recipe. Before we start to cook, we need to constitute a stir-fry sauce, and these are the ingredients that I use. Pretty standard for Cantonese style cooking: light soy sauce, some Chinese wine. The light soy sauce is for the flavor, wine is for the aroma, some dark soy sauce for the color, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and some cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Add all these ingredients together, and now we are ready for a quick stir fry. Add a little bit of water to mix well. Now let's start cooking. I'll cook the chicken and the vegetables separately because they require different cooking time. Heat the oil to medium and add the chicken to the wok or a large skillet. And spread it out single layer. Let it sear for about half a minute. Then turn it over to the other side with the wok spatula. And sear the other side until golden. The whole process will take just about 1 to 1.5 minutes, and now both sides has already turned golden. Now I'm going to remove it from the wok and stir fry the second batch of the chicken. Turn up the heat again and stir fry the remaining batch of the chicken. Now add the onion to the chicken flavor oil. And stir fry until the onion turns soft. When it started to turn soft and the color changed slightly, add the chopped garlic and ginger. Now add the vegetables. Turn up the heat. And how long you're going to stir fry depends on how soft or how crunchy you want the vegetables to be. Generally, it takes about a minute or two. The next step is to add the sauce and the black pepper. Now return the cooked chicken to the wok and turn up the heat. Do a taste test to make sure that everything is okay. It's just perfect. I don't need to make any changes. Remove it from the wok and now it's time to enjoy. This is a very flavorful dish. You can serve with plain rice or any noodles of your choice. That's how to make black pepper chicken. Although black pepper is not commonly used in most of the Chinese recipe, I'm using the Chinese seasonings as well as the frying method in this recipe. And if you want to get the recipe, I have included it in the description box below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.